Hello, my name is Skater. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be teaching you how to get custom icons for your folders, like the ones that I got right here. So I already filmed this video, but the quality was really low, so I had to refilm it now. And basically, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go and open up Google and search icons for Windows. We'll be using the first website. You can use any website you like as long as you can find some good icons. Okay, most of the time the icons are going to be PNG files. You will have to convert them. But first thing we're going to do is choose some icons which I already have downloaded. For example, I like this one, okay? So I want the icons to have a bubble around them, like this one. So you can click there on the word bubbles, and it'll take you to this section here where you can see a lot of icons that look the same as that one that I showed you. And the ones that I downloaded were from here, okay? So you basically just browse the page and look for the icons that you want. Let's say, for example, you like this one. You click on it, you hit download, and then right here you have the settings. So you basically choose PNG, and then 100 times 100 pixel perfect, and download it. Okay, and you do that with all of the icons. Once you have them, what you have to do is you have to go to a different website. I would also recommend you to put the icons in a folder so you know where all of them are, okay? Like I did right here. Okay, so you just have to go ahead and go to Google and type in PNG to icon converter, okay? We want it to be an icon file. We can just use the first website, and basically what you do is you take your icon, you drop it in here, and then right on this side the icons are going to show up, and you will have a download button. To hit the download button, you don't have to click anything else on the screen. If you get a pop-up, just close it up, and then you just download all of them, okay? You drag and drop them, download, and you will have your icon ready to be applied. Okay, it has to be an icon file, and this is what it does. It transfers, it converts the icon from PNG to icon. Okay. Then you also have resolutions here. But once you have your icons ready and converted to icon file type, then what you do is you go to your folder, select it, right click on it, go to properties, then you go to customize, which is the last option from the top, and at the bottom you see folders icons. You click change icon. Right here you just have the Windows icons, but you want to look for your custom icon. How you do it is you just click on browse and you look for the folder that you put your icons in, okay? I recommend you to put them in a folder. So we got the folder right here, and we'll choose this one, okay? You click on open, then you click OK. You can see the icon there. You click OK, apply, make sure you apply, and now you see that the icon has changed. See? Then you click OK and it closes up. So you do that for all of the icons that you want to change, and you'll be done. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I will change it back because I like the icons that I had before. Okay, so we are going to change it back. This is what I have my icons that I like. Click open, then we click OK, and very important, okay? Click apply. So, then you click OK, and that's it. Once you have all of them done, you are good to go. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comment section. I hope to see you in a future video. Thank you. Also, if you have any ideas for videos that I could make, please let me know in the comment section. I hope the video helped. Bye.